Welcome back to my workshop. Now today's video was going to be a review of a tool I've just bought, but it's going to be a very quick one because the tool has to go back. Okay, let me explain. Now today I had to go out in an emergency and buy a hammer drill. This one. Not this one. This one. It's an Ozito rotary hammer drill kit. It's a 900 watt 3J SDS plus drill. Now I needed this in an emergency this afternoon because I was trying to remove some tiles from the kitchen and using a normal hammer and chisel just wasn't cutting the mustard. So I had to rush out to buy this. There was other ones available, but they was all very expensive. I went to Homebase and I purchased this one for £68 I think it was, so nearly £70 for this, and you get the drill and you get some accessories which included a chisel. Now the reason I had to buy this was because they didn't actually have any SDS chisels in Homebase, so I had to buy this because it was included. So let's have a quick look inside. I won't go into too much detail because there's not much to see, but let me explain what's in the box. Okay, usual packaging for a power tool. This is the 900 watt version, and what you actually get in the box is, okay, open the box, if we can get it out. Right, okay, we get a carry case. Now this is where the alarm bell should have started ringing because the carry case is not the best in the world. It's a normal blow molded carry case. Okay, in the box what you get is you get a range of accessories. You get a chisel, or two chisels, some SDS drills, you get some instructions and some important information. Then you get the actual drill itself, okay, which is quite a decent looking drill, okay, and usual SDS style. This can be used as a drill in normal drilling mode, normally for masonry, and for that you would use these masonry drills which are supplied. There's 3 of those supplied, but I needed it for chiseling. So it's got a chisel in it and I just wanted to take some tiles off the wall. Literally with these chisels there's a keyway, usual SDS style. There's a keyway here on the end of the drill, and literally they fit into the drill here. Then you can have it on basically a hammer action, so it's like basically like a breaker rather than a drill. So got this quickly to the job, continued taking the tiles off the wall, used it for about 2 hours. Now the drill itself was performing quite well, so it's plenty of power. For the 900 watt one, it's what I expected. There's plenty of power, and it was doing a reasonable job of getting the tiles off the wall. Then all of a sudden everything come to a halt because after 2 hours the chisel snapped. Okay, so literally just snapped. Okay, I wasn't doing anything excessive. I wasn't trying to break up a concrete path or anything. I was trying to remove some tiles from a kitchen wall. So of course it was Sunday afternoon, or it is Sunday afternoon still. By that time Homebase, where I bought it from, had shut. So basically the job come to a standstill. So now this unit has to go back. So that's just basically a word of warning. If you buy one of these, be careful because the accessories are not very good. I mean, it's possibly, these are possibly not made by Ozito. They're probably made by someone else and bought in, but of course I bought it as a kit because I needed to do the job, and I was relying on this. So basically it's let me down, so it's going to have to go back. But the drill itself, having said that, the drill itself is quite a powerful thing. I'm sure using it for normal drilling operations, then it would be fine, but that's not why I bought it. Part of its function is supposed to be able to be used to chisel. It even advertised chiseling. Yeah, chiseling tiles, which is exactly what I was using it for, and a bit failed. Okay, so that was just a very, very quick review. I don't know how it's going to work out with me taking it back. I do need to get another one, but I'm very reluctant to buy another Ozito one. I shall buy something possibly a bit more expensive. As I say, this was only you know, about £70, but I can't really justify spending, you know, £300–400 on a DeWalt unit, but there must be something in between. So it was just a word of warning. If you're planning on doing that, be cautious. Right, that's it for this one. I know a lot of people are not very interested in unboxing videos, so this was probably the quickest unboxing ever, and just a cautionary tale. Be careful. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.